Nakita ko ito sa Facebook. Ngayon, dahil interesado ako, tumawag ako dito at nakontak ko yung sales girl. Pagdating ko naman dito, nakita ko itong Volkswagen ID po na naka-display. Nagustuhan ko pa agad, kaya binigay ka agad sa akin. Ang ID form isa sa pinakamagandang sasakyan na sa akin. Ang gusto ko rito yung features niya, yung active cruise control niya. At saka naman sa maintenance nito, napaka-approachable lahat ng mga tao nyo rito. Easy to talk with, and if you have a complaint, they will attend to it immediately. Of course, I've told many of my friends, whenever they see this unit, they always ask me about it. So I told them, you want to buy one? You talk to me, I will send you to Anis. Or I will not even send you, I will bring you to Anis. Ako pa rin uli masana magpasalamat kay Salvi, kay NJ, kay Dory, kay Marie Craig. They've been contacting me often, frequently, and follow up my maintenance schedule.